more importantly, my कार्यकर्ताs, my supporters, I think all my party people, and also my Bharatiya Janata Party, my party, which has supported me tooth and nail, and only because of good development and taking all the people together. Today we have emerged victorious and with a very good margin, almost 4,500 plus is our victory today. After having a fragmentation, having 6 candidates, I've got much more than the last election of mine. The margin of votes has been much more. Yeah. Many which ways, it is Congress up, another party. In fact, for the last 5 years, they have done, as I said, we have done a lot of good development, we have given a lot of social schemes to everybody, and I have taken everybody along, all the people along, without any difference. That's the reason today the people have supported me and imaged me as victorious with a good margin.